with a new topic, that is soil. Soil is made up of minerals, particles, humus, air, water, and living organisms. Soil is formed by weathering of the rocks by the action of water, wind, glaciers, temperature, variation of the roots of the plant, etc. Soil has three main layers: topsoil, subsoil, and the parent rock. The main kinds of rock particles present in the topsoil, depending on the size of the particles, are clay, smallest particle, slate, sand, and the gravel, that are the largest particles. A mixture of sand, silt, and clay with humus in it is called the loam. It is the best form of the soil for growing plants. Sandy soil absorbs less water and allows more water to percolate. Clayey soil absorbs more water than sandy soil and allows less water to percolate. Now the composition of soil. Soil is made up of two main components: tiny bits of the mineral particles which come from the larger rocks. These minerals include the parts like the iron, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus, etc. The main layers of the soil are topsoil, subsoil, and parent rock. Topsoil, humus, and the smallest particles of the rock form the upper layer of the soil called the topsoil or A horizon. Subsoil, that is the B horizon, this is the layer below the topsoil. Parent rock, that is the C horizon, below the subsoil is the parent rock or the C horizon, which consists of the small pieces of rocks with the cracks and the crevices. The particles of the rocks found in the soil come from the weathered rock in the C horizon. Below this is the solid rock called the bedrock. It is non-porous. Rainwater gathers over it to form the water table. Topsoil has the bits of rock and humus in it. However, not all topsoils are the same. Topsoils are different places, have different colors, and rock particles are different in size. Now the formation of soil. Soil was not present on the earth at the time of its formation. Long ago, the ground was mostly solid rock. Over millions of years, this rock got partially changed into solid by a process known as weathering. Weathering is the breaking down of the huge pieces of rocks into the smaller pieces by the action of natural forces such as water, glaciers, wind, and roots of the plants, etc. Properties of soil: percolation rate of water in the soil. Rainwater that percolates through the soil collects above the bedrock. This natural level of underground water is called the water table. We can calculate the percolate rate using the formula: percolate rate milliliter per minute is equal to the amount of water percolated in ml upon time taken per minute. For example, if it takes 10 minutes for the 100 ml of the water to percolate, the rate of percolate rate is equal to 200 ml upon 10 minutes, that is 20 milliliter per minute. Similarly, we can find the percolate rate